Oh, make me over. I'm all I wanna be.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I will be attempting to do the no mirror makeup challenge. I've been seeing this challenge go around YouTube. I do recall seeing it like maybe 2 years ago, and I've been seeing it again lately. So I figured, why not give it a try? I didn't do it last time, or I've never tried it before, so I thought this would be kind of fun to do. So the only way that I can see myself or be considered cheating is with my mirror that I have, or with my monitor that I have connected to my camera. And so I'm gonna go ahead and turn that off. So I'm gonna show you, as you can see, I'm gonna turn it off. Oops, come on. There, so it's off. Mirror is being put back here. Okay, so there's no way for me to look at myself. I've watched other videos and how they did it, and one thing I know that they've said is that they don't know where to look, or it's just weird, I guess. I don't know. I'm used to like looking at my monitor, and yeah, so mostly I use my monitor to make sure that I am in frame and that it's clear, it's not going out of focus. So anyways, let's get started. Normally you guys have seen how I do my makeup. I'm gonna do it a little differently this time. I think I'm gonna start off with doing my foundation and my concealer first, and I'm doing everything. I'm even like starting from my eyebrows and everything. I'm starting from completely nothing on. I'm not gonna put primer because I am not trying to keep this on. So yeah, so let's get started with foundation. I'm sorry if my lips look very chapped or very dry. I was really sick last week, and I've been feeling a little dehydrated. And just with the weather, it's been really cold lately. Yeah, my lips have been really dry. Okay. Yeah, I'm going on my eyelids because I'm not going to use a primer. So I have no idea how this is looking. Okay, I think that should probably be good. Okay, now I'm gonna do concealer. I'm gonna put a very little because I know that this is actually way too white for me. And I know this takes a little to blend in. I'm just gonna go on my eyelid. So yeah, so if I do sound sick, I'm sorry. I mean, I'm not really sick anymore. It's just, you know, certain times things linger. Like a little bit of a stuffy nose still. A little bit of a cough, but not as bad as it was. Okay, oops, did I do my nose? Yeah, I think I put some on my nose. I think, did I put some on my forehead? I forgot. Okay, anyways, I think that should be good. I guess we'll try to do eyebrows. Now I'm gonna use this. It has a mirror in it, so I'm gonna turn it towards you guys so I don't see it. Okay? Actually, this thing, it's a little bit of a reflector, so I'm just gonna, the casing itself is kind of reflective, so I'm gonna try to cover it but I'm putting it right here. Here you go. So you don't, I'm not looking at it, and you can see I'm not looking. Okay. Oh my gosh. I wonder if I should just use the sponge that's inside of it instead of a brush. I think I'm just gonna do that. Okay. So I'm just gonna get the color. Oh my gosh, I do not know how this is gonna turn out. What is this? Okay, doke. This is actually harder than I thought. Because you would think you do your makeup so many times that you'd kind of remember just by memory and where things are. Oh my gosh. And okay. I'm just gonna leave it alone. I don't know how that looks, but okay. I'm gonna use the Jeffree Star's Blood Sugar palette. And so I'm not gonna look at it. So you can see, and you guys can see monitor is still off. Or maybe, I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully it's angled the right way. Okay, so gonna start off with, gonna use this color, which is sugar cane. What's this? Sugar cane. Okay, I'm gonna use that as my base. Go on the next eye. Next color I'm gonna use is Ouch. No, I'm gonna go on with this brush. So I'm gonna go with Ouch. I'm gonna go in with Ouch, which is this color right here. Okay. I'm pretty much just closing my eyes because, just so you guys really know that I'm not looking at anything. Okay. Next color, I think I'm gonna go with Extraction, which is this color right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't even know if this is in view. Oh, okay. Had a lot of fallout. Okay. Just so you guys know, you know what? What am I holding it up for? Just close it when I'm not using it. Okay. I just wanted you guys to see, to make sure that I'm not using the mirror, that it is closed. Okay. Okay. Back in. I'm not. And I'm still not looking at it, just so you can see. I have it facing away from me. This is the first time I'm actually using this palette, so I thought it'd be kind of cool and kind of funny to do it with this challenge. Alrighty, now I'm just going to blend. I'm sure it needs it. Oh jeez, I can even tell the brush is getting the color on it, and it looks like a lot. Oh goodness. Okay. Next, I'm going to attempt to do a wing liner. I'm going to go on with the Kat Von D tattoo liner. Oh, I'm so scared. Jeez Louise. Okay. Now I notice every time when I put on my liner, I always do this, and I heard that that's a no-no, not to pull on your skin because you age quicker, or it like doesn't help with wrinkles or whatever. So I'm gonna try not to do that anymore. I don't know how true that is, but hey, I'm not gonna risk it, so I'm not gonna try it. So okay, let's see. I don't want to tug on my eye, but I always do that. I'm more nervous poking myself than what it looks like. Okay. I can feel it probably it's not right, but whatever. That's part of this whole game, right? Okay, so next I'm gonna do blush, and I'm gonna use my Tarte blush, what is it called? Blush Bazaar. Okay, so this is a little reflective on the inside, so I'm gonna not look at it. Where is my... Okay. So I'm going to use... I guess I'm gonna go with this little light pink. I'm just waiting for my eyeliner to dry, and then I'm gonna do my lashes. Okay, that is that. So I'm going to use this Moonchild from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It does not have a mirror. So I'm going to just go in. And since this look is looking a little crazy, I'm sure, I'm just going to go in with one of the more crazier colors that I really don't use often. So let's go with... Let's see. I'm gonna go with Purple Horse. Okay. My gosh. This brush really picked up a lot. I can feel and I can see. Because look how much fallout that have. And when I usually use, what brush is it? This is the one I got from Morphe that they recommended, and this like picks up nothing. This one is just a BH Cosmetics brush, and man, this really, well, I don't know. Maybe it looks like it picks up. Whoa. Okay, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go full on all the way and just do like a whole contour. So I'm gonna use my, oh, this has a mirror in it. I'm gonna use my favorite little contour kit thingy, the Tarteist Pro Glow to Go. It's like the little travel size or whatever. So anyway, so I'm gonna use that. I'm covering because it has a mirror, so I'm covering it with my hand. So let's do that. Oh my gosh, I think I got too much. Okay. Okay, so I did that, closing it. So I'm just gonna do my cheeks and a little under my chin. Okay, so next I'm gonna attempt to do lashes. I'm just gonna use a pair of lashes that I don't normally use because I'm not trying to use a nice pair. So putting on the glue. No, I think I'm just gonna have to put it on with my, I'm gonna attempt to do it with my tweezers like I normally do. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, that's not gonna work with this. I'm gonna have to do it with my fingers. Okay. My gosh, this is super hard. This does not feel right. I can definitely feel it does not feel right, but screw it. Okay. Oh my gosh. What the hell does it feel like it's all the way on my cheek? Oh, I got glue on my fingers, so it keeps pulling the eyelash away. Okay. Oh my gosh, I can feel like it's all the way up there. Okay, I feel like it's all the way up there. Okay. Alright. So last, I'm just gonna put on lipstick. This is Lolita from Kat Von D. This should not be too hard. Okay, is that it? I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Let me get my mirror. And I'm going to, okay, wait. Before I look at myself, I'm gonna turn my viewfinder back on, or my monitor. Please still be recording. Please still be recording. Yes, still recording. Oh, oh my gosh. Okay. I kind of saw myself a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna get my mirror. Oh, my eyebrows not that bad. Okay, no, that's bad. That's really bad. And my eyelashes, what the heck? And my eyeliner. So that was pretty funny. Yeah, and this is the end of the video. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that, and I hope you laughed. If there's any other challenges you guys want me to do, leave it in the comments down below, and we'll see. Okay guys, well, until the next one, see you then. Bye.